Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is December 17, 2014, and let's talk about the market. Let's start with the spider. The spider, as you can see here, it break down the 50 simple moving average and it confirmed the breakdown. But today it bounced, and I was expecting this bounce since the DMI divergence, it was in divergence, the directionals. I enter long right here at this major support 201.87, and that's the number we need to watch. If tomorrow the bulls take out this number, then we can have a little Santa rally. Remember back December last year, it was almost the same. We were going down and we bounced from the 50 simple moving average, and we had a little pop. I wouldn't call this a Santa rally. But from here, if we go to the top again, I would call it a little Santa rally. So I'm expecting tomorrow to confirm this move since it was a nice volume and the directionals are ready for a bounce. So keep an eye on this Fibonacci 201.87. Now let's talk about the iShares Russells, the ATF for the Russell. Right here the same, we bounced from the 50 simple moving average, we entered this mega fund that it break down, and last time, December, we got a little rally right here, we bounced from the 50, same thing, and about December 17, December 18, we also had a little rally for a couple days. So that's what I'm expecting, a little rally for a couple days to go to 120 and probably break out. Now let's talk about the Qs. The Qs right here are also at the 50 simple moving average. This one break down, and for a couple cents it confirmed the breakdown, but it bounced really hard in a lot of volumes. It was 79 millions. It usually trades between 40 and 35 million. So it was a nice volume. So you gotta respect that volume. If you enter short in here and it confirmed tomorrow the bounce about today's high, get out. And if you are long from here and tomorrow it break down 99.90, get out, because this thing is gonna go down like a stone. So be careful here. Now let's talk about DIA. DIA, as you can see here, this is the Dow Jones Industrial ATF. It's also at the 50. This major support right here at 171.46 Fibonacci. This is major support since it was resisting back in July. It was resisting in September. It was resisting at the beginning of October. And we break out at the end of October and we got a nice rally. So this is a nice support right here. So this is the key number you need to watch, 171.46. Right now DMI are in divergence, so we can rally from here or have a little bounce. Now let's talk about Apple. Apple, I would like to say that it's bullish, but it's not. It's just neutral. Is right here holding below the 50 simple moving average for 3 days, and my enter long on Apple will be if the bulls take out this resistance right here. You know, if it confirms tomorrow about today's high and it break out, I will say the 21 double exponential or this yellow line, I will think about getting long, but for now I'm just watching. And it's on my watch list, like always. Now let's talk about Amazon. Amazon right here, bounced from Fibonacci 194. It was a nice little bounce, but it's still bearish. And if you break down this 186, 184, no, 185. If you break down this 185 support, get short, because this thing can go to 150, 250 or 225. But it easily can bounce from here and go to the resisting again, which is this resisting was resisting here. So we can go again to this point and probably make a big move when it gets around the apex of these triangles. Around right here, it will probably break out or will probably break down. Now let's talk about Baba. I'm long on Baba. You guys know that I like Baba, and I have been buying January and March calls and the stock. Today we had a nice move. I talk about this box to members. I say if you break out the box, you can enter if you don't have anything on Baba because it's very bullish. This is a bullish flat. This is a bullish flat. So he break out the box and now he needs confirmation. So he break out the box, he break out the flat, he break out the 21 double exponential, he break out the 20 simple exponential, and he break out the Fibonacci 108.89. So all we need tomorrow is a confirmation and volume because we haven't had any good volume today. It trades 17 millions. It usually trades between 25 to 30 million. So we need good volume tomorrow and this thing can fly. Now let's talk about Facebook. I'm long on Facebook also, but it has been consolidating right here. It's killing me. And time decay is killing my January calls. But I'm sure and I'm confident that this thing can bounce from here and get to test 79 again. That's the key number, 79. It fell here. It fell a little bit here, but then on earnings it break down. So if we go again to 79 and we break out here, we can get to the 80s, 85, 90s. Now let's talk about Jill. You have to put this one in your watch list. I love the fundamentals for the companies. I read about this and it's right here holding this support. Today was a fake out. It looks like a fake out because yesterday it break down this major support and today it confirmed but it bounced. So everyone that enters right there now is thinking, okay, it confirmed but it bounced. So it's a fake out. What are we gonna do? Well, if it confirms tomorrow and it break out about the 5 simple moving average, this thing can go easily to 110 in no time. So Jill is on my watch list. I don't have a position yet, but it's on my watch list. If I see a confirmation about the 5, I might enter half, and about the 50 simple moving average, another half. Now let's talk about PCLN. This one is a request from a member right here. I don't see anything. Is making lower highs and I don't like it. If you want to enter, you can use this resistance. Let me show you. You can use this resistance right here, because I think it's gonna probably bounce from here and go to the top right here, which is the Fibonacci 1154. So right there, if you break out right there, then we're gonna have a nice move. For now, I'm neutral in PCLN, but it's on my watch list. Now let's talk about the VIX, the last one. The VIX right here, I talk about it, the levels that I always watch in the VIX, the 25, the 18, and the 30. Right here, it failed at the 25, and it break down. That's what I didn't want to lose. I don't want to close my calls on the spider because I was confident that this thing was going to fail right here, and it did. Now, it needs to break down below the 18 level, and we can have a little Santa rally. Okay, guys, so I have a nice offer on the website. It's a lifetime membership. You can get this offer. It's only $299, and you get everything: my mentoring, the videos, the current trades, the updates, everything from MacBillion. So you can have a nice 2015. This is a nice offer. It's usually $100 monthly, but this is for all of you that have been following me all year, watching my videos and having fun with me. So please take the offer and join MacBillion. Trade on.